I also wanted to talk to you today about negative emotions. I'm not gonna explain the mechanics of the emotions today, not in this video, but what I want you to understand is that negative emotions, they're absolutely useless. They're kind of fake. They're basically a reaction that that shows you certain things. So they're not negative in the sense of bad for you. They're absolutely useless in their essence, but they're absolutely useful to show you what you're not doing right. Correct. And what I mean by that is you're not looking at the things in the right way. That's why you're having negative emotions. I'm gonna give you this weird example, but I like weird examples. Think about an elephant. I bet 99.9% of you, at least, thought about an elephant from the front side. You imagine it from the front side. You imagine elephant's face or from the side or somehow the whole big picture, at least. Like the shape of an elephant with the trunk and the huge ears and the face and all that. I bet almost none of you imagine his ass, right? Or some of you imagine his ass. If that's the case, I also wonder about you. I want to know in the comments, why would you imagine an elephant's ass? But anyways, it's a really good analogy because when you think about it, you're looking at the elephant from the holistic point of view. You have the whole picture normally, or at least the face, something's really recognizable. And then you have this normal feeling about it. Like, it's just an elephant. But then think about if you start looking at it and turning it from different sides. Like eventually you get to this ass. And what if it's dirty? What if it's in shit? Most of you will find it somehow unattractive and somehow irritating or like disgusting or some kind of negative feeling towards it, and you're gonna be like, oh, right? Yeah, nobody wants to look at elephant's ass. When we think about elephant, we want to look at its face, we want to look at the whole picture of an elephant, right? So it's kind of like that with any situation or anything that you're having emotions about, be it physical or non-physical, it doesn't matter. What you're doing is you're looking at it from the wrong side. This is what you're doing, and that's why you're having negative emotions. So what would you need to do in with this situation that you're having negative emotions about? What do you need to do to actually start feeling positively about the same situation? Take this analogy with an elephant. All you gotta do is just look at it from a different side, from the side that you like, from the side that actually brings you into the positive state. That's exactly what you need to do with people, with situations, with anything. All you gotta do is turn them around in the way that you like him. You need to like what you see, and for that you need to find that side, that reflection. Because remember, after all, it's all you anyways. What are you seeing is you seeing something inside of you. It's natural to you. It has the right to be there. But you perceiving it as outside of yourself, a separate object of yourself, you might just get confused, and that's what happens. Because you don't know yourself, you perceive it as negative. You perceive it from the point of view of separation. And that's why you have certain kind of feeling that arises from it. Everything is neutral. And this duality picture, the mirror, it actually produces certain kind of feelings and emotions for you. So coming back to this idea of negative emotions, do you even need them? Do you want to feel them? No, you don't. Especially when you express in negative emotions, you're losing a lot of energy. You're just wasting it. It's like taking a pack of money. Like you wake up and you receive this $1 million today in the morning, energy wise, right? And instead of spending it on the things you like, you start spending it on the things you don't like. You don't like something, you just toss money at it. Like just boom, a whole pack. 15 grand, 10 grand, boom, 30 grand, 1,000 grand. And then you're broke by the, I don't know, by 12 noon. You're broke emotionally, energetically, you're broke. And you feel exhausted. Why would you do that? Why would you throw money at something that you don't like? So my advice to you, don't stop doing it. And the first way to stop, the first step is to understand that you don't need negative emotions. You don't need to express them, because having them is natural. They're just showing you something, but expressing them is your choice. This is something you can control right now. You can choose to express them or not. Because when the negative emotion is already present inside of your body, this is natural. You cannot really do anything about it other than just separate yourself for a second and let it cool off. And then understand it, understand where it's arising from, and adjust your point of view, adjust your filter, adjust your angle of looking at the situation. That's it. And let it be. It's natural. It's just showing you. It's a natural mechanism inside of your psyche to show you where you are incorrectly viewing situation. I hope it makes sense for you. So promise yourself to stop expressing it with people. Don't share that negativity with the world, and you're not gonna get it back. Because remember, it's all vibrational. What you put out is what you get back. Keep spreading negativity, you're gonna get it back. You're gonna multiply it. Keep spreading love, that's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get love back. Love from people, from the world, from the universe, from yourself. So that's negative emotions for you. Just understand them, learn about them. If you didn't understand something, ask me in the comments. Or learn some information from the internet, from books. Just read a few books on emotions and feelings. And I will make some videos about emotions and feelings to kind of explain this whole idea. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Enjoy your day. Ciao.